Hi, this video is for Monday, November 2nd. We're now in November, and we will get started with our daily packet. So let me share my screen, get our ladybug. So we are on week 3 of our benchmark. So the last week of this plants and animals unit. So the first piece here is our spelling words. We're going to write them one time each. They all have the sound, but spelled different. Sometimes ER, sometimes IR, sometimes UR. So here are our spelling words. We have hurt, her, nurse, girl, shirt, burn, third, never, winter. Read and answer. When does this bird fly away? Going to search for the word that starts with a capital letter. That. Probably that bird flies. I see away. Flies away. That bird flies away. And I have the words left. The winter in. And winter will be last. And I know that because there's a period. That bird flies away in the winter. Period. Add. When you have 2 digits and 1, you can kind of break it down into 2 steps. We're going to go 6 plus 2 is 8. And then you kind of think about 1 plus nothing is 1. Same here. 4 plus 3 is 7. 1 plus nothing, 1. 9 plus 0, 9. 1 plus nothing, 1. Or really 19 plus nothing is 19. 3 plus 6 is 9. 2 plus nothing, 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus nothing, 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus nothing, 1. Skip count by tens. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We're going to count back, also by tens, but back. 60, 50, 40, 30, 20. Zara bought each of her friends a gift. She has 13 girlfriends and 6 boyfriends. So 13 girls and 6 boys. And I'm going to actually, I wrote it this way, but now I'm going to write it this way on the side. 13 plus 6. So I'm going to line up my ones together. Let me zoom in so we can see it a little better. Okay, 3 plus 6 is 9. 1 plus nothing is 1. You can also count on 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there are 19 gifts that she needs to buy or that she already bought. Okay. That is our daily packet, Unit 3, Week 3, Day 1. And I apologize, but there's another mistake here. Again, it says rainbow, just like it did last week and the week before that. This week, though, it's actually fancy. Fancy, so that's your spelling packet. So you should already have week 1, the rainbow part already completed. We did ABC order last week. So that means this week, week 3, is fancy words. So you have 10 different shapes where you write your spelling words, all 10 of your spelling words, there's the back side, in some kind of fancy way. So practicing your spelling words, all 10 of them. And you can look at your spelling words either from your daily packet from today, up at the top, or you can also look on your pamphlet for week 3 and your words are here also. So either place. So that's fancy spelling. The next piece is your weekly vocabulary. So that is the very last page of your Plants and Animals booklet, right? So the very last page. We've already filled in week 1 and week 2 words. The week 3 words, I'll put a happy face to kind of help you find them. We have the word fled. We have the word peered and the word terror. So the 3 happy faces are from today. If for some reason you don't have some of the other words or sentences, the definitions or sentences from week 1 or week 2, today's a good idea to pause the video and make sure that by the end of today, all of your vocabulary definitions and sentences are complete. Fled means ran away. Maybe I fled from danger. I'll underline that. I fled from danger. Peered means looked at something carefully. I'm going to say, I peered at the ocean. I really looked at it carefully, seeing if I saw any sea animals in there, any sea creatures. And terror means very scared. Maybe like I froze in terror. I was so scared that I froze. I froze in terror. So again, by the end of today, all of this should be completed. So we just did our weekly vocab with fled, peered, and terror. So we're completed now with ELA activity. We're going to go to our benchmark activity. It says read Bert the Sea Turtle, our story of the day. So we're going to reread it out loud, and we're going to find AR, ER, UR words. So words that have that those spellings, AR, ER, UR. And what I'll do is I'm going to circle them, but you are welcome to highlight if you prefer. It just doesn't show up well on these videos. So I'm just going to circle. So here it goes. As I read, I'm going to circle those AR, ER, UR. Oh, there's one right away. Bert the sea turtle. Bert has UR. Bert the sea turtle. Turtle has UR in it. Oh, here too. Lived in the, you know what I'm going to do actually? I'm going to underline that AR, ER, UR. Warm, AR. Waters, ER. Zoom in so we can really see it. Of the Atlantic Ocean. He had hatched from an egg his mother laid in the sand. Once hatched, he waddled down to the sea and began to swim. Almost 80 years, and this one's kind of different because it does have AR there, but it doesn't make that R sound. I'll underline it just because it's there. Years later, Bert had still never been away from home. He wanted to learn, and I have that AR again, about life outside the ocean. One day he crawled out of the sea and soon found himself on a hard sidewalk. People stepped over him. Cars rushed by. I've seen enough, Bert cried and hurried home. He had learned that the sea was the best place for him. So a few AR, ER, UR words there. So that is our benchmark activity of the day, rereading and finding those words. Today, we've completed already topic 5, reteaching. So I'm going to check this off. Make sure that you have all of your quick checks completed. So by today, you should have 5-1, 2, let me double check here, 5-7. So you should have 7 quick checks completed by today, so that way you're ready for your test tomorrow online. Today, we are started lesson 5, Español, which is más en el salón, a few more classroom items, and lugares, which are places. Those 2 started today, so make sure you go into your Seesaw Spanish classroom to look at the games, videos, read-alouds of that lesson. You can also start your new packet, make yourself some flashcards, practice your Español in some way. Lección 5, lesson 5. I'll kick you off once you get that practice in. And with that, you are completed here with Monday, November 2nd activities. All right, well, I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.